Good day, Sir Madam. I am Rochelle Judy Verason, Filipino. I am Roman Catholic. I am single. I have one brother. I am the eldest in the family. I am high school graduate. I have work experience here in the Philippines as a domestic helper, and my duties and responsibilities are washing, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and car washing. I can cook Filipino dish like sinigang, pakbet, chicken adobo. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, and I'm willing to learn how to speak Mandarin. Sir, Madam, I love taking care of children, help them prepare their food on time, help them take a bath, give them vitamins and medicine when they sick, as doctor prescription. Fetch them from school, and play with them watching TV. Sir, Madam, please hire me, and I promise I will be kind, hardworking, honest, responsible household worker, and I will finish my 2 years contract. Sir, Madam, thank you.